Hey team, Spencer here for Nolathane. Remember when custom suspension work used to be Falcons and Commodores and we were lowering them all 2 inches? Well, nowadays we're looking at Hiluxes and Rangers and we're lifting them all 2 inches. So Nolathane's moved with the market and our products are there to support all your 4-wheel drive and SUV needs. We've updated our existing performance and repair range to include all of the repair solutions and performance solutions you want for your 4-wheel drive, because that's the most common car on Australian roads now, dual cab 4-wheel drives. We've got the hardest testing ground in the world, the Australian outback. So that's where we test our vehicles and that's where we R&D our products. And it's not just the vehicles that have changed. Our product offering and our product material continues to change and adapt. Where Nolathane started off as a firm solution for performance vehicles, we've refined our product, and actually the vast majority of what we produce now is OE replacement solutions. Over the years, we've refined our polyurethane to be more suited for everyday driving without sacrificing performance or durability. Today's Nolathane bushes vary in firmness, typically ranging from 70 to 85 durometer. All Nolathane suspension bushes are application engineered to ensure that we get the durometer of firmness correct for the vehicle it's going onto and the location of the vehicle, ensuring you get optimal performance out of your suspension without risking any comfort. Nolathane's been in the suspension game for more than 50 years. We've always prided ourselves on making solutions that are easy to fit and deliver. Whether it's a classic V8 or a brand new dual cab 4-wheel drive, Nolathane's range continues to expand to keep you covered. Over the years, the cars have changed, the people have changed, and the workshops have changed, but Nolathane's commitment to innovation and reliability hasn't. Whether it's old school or new tech, Nolathane's range has your vehicle covered.